Welcome back to your Meditation Mastery Minicourse. This is our fifth and final secret to the meditation state. So this is secret number 5, Spirit, the grand return of the divine light. In this stage, we're going to let everything go. Completely let it go. Any worries, any thoughts, any emotions, any patterns, anything, everything, all things. Completely let it go. In this state, you're going to completely merge into spirit. We're going to utilize the other 4 secrets to attain to the state of meditation. So using our earthly bodily position, using the air of the 2 breathing pranayamas we talked about, utilizing the fire of our concentration meditative point, and finally, by utilizing our daily meditation practice, we're going to attain to the spirit. The spirit is the ultimate. There's not much I can say about this. I will try to describe the state of meditation. However, it's beyond anything. It's beyond everything. Meditation can never be put into words. You can only experience it. You can only feel it for yourself. So I just want this video to serve as a guiding light, a beacon, and I can tell you there's truly nothing more beautiful, more wonderful, more blissful, more joyous than the state of meditation. Completely letting go of all the thoughts, even our focal concentration point, even that simply seems to fade away and disappear. How long can this take? Maybe it takes you 30 minutes to enter into the state. Maybe it takes you an hour. The state can only be experienced by direct perception. I can't pass it on with words. I can only encourage you. Find the state for yourself. It's beyond anything. It feels so wonderful. Beyond any drinking, entertainment, beyond anything that the human world has created. The state is just so wonderful, so joyous. In this state, the body is turbocharged with divine light. It is light, airy, wonderful. You feel completely rejuvenated, relaxed, recharged. This is our goal. The state of meditation. Join me there. It's such a wonderful, glorious, everlasting, beautiful state. How can you get into this? Being completely one with the present moment. Utilizing our awareness concentration point. Even that fades away too. Being one with the moment, you're just breathing with it. No thoughts come up. Even the mind doesn't want to think. You're just one with the moment, one with the meditation. So meditation can be described as being one with yourself, higher self, and the act of meditation. So no thoughts come through more. You're just one with the infinite divine presence of the entire universe. Being completely one with the present moment, you've attained to the state of meditation. Well, there's nothing more I can say about it. I can only encourage you. Feel it for yourself. Reap the benefits. Feel the divine light flowing freely through you, in you, and around you. I can't wait for you to experience this state as well. If you have questions, if you have any problems, difficulties, or anything else comes up, just drop it down to the school course. Let's get all your questions answered. I want to share with you all my knowledge, experiences, and I want you to join me in this wonderful, glorious state of meditation. I want you to experience it for yourself. So drop any questions you may have, reach out to me. I want to help you on this adventure, and I want you to truly experience meditation. Well, nothing more can be said about this. Okay, on these next 2 videos, I'm going to give you a few techniques that'll help you go into the state of meditation and what to do for once you exit meditation. So let's get after it. You have your 5 secrets. You have all the knowledge, the wisdom, the abundance, the experience that you need. So now let's get you going into meditation. And at the end of this series, we'll practice just briefly for a few moments. Sending you all the divine light, sending you all the blessings, sending you infinite waves of loving, joyous presence, abundance, sending you a big loving hug. Okay, see you on the next video. Let's get you a few techniques for entering into meditation. Thank you so much. Take care. Beautiful, wonderful day to you. Okay, see you there.